guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss for you how to fix Shein verification code not sending. So if you're interested, let's get started. Now if you're having some troubles here receiving your verification code here for Shein to basically log in, well, there are a few things that you may want to check. So first things first, the verification code for Shein is automatically sent to your email address or connected email address. Now the thing with this one is sometimes it may get delayed or it might have been sent somewhere that you may not know they were sent. So to be speaking, what you need to do is you want to first go to your email address here or inbox, and what you need to do is you want to go and click on the three bar icon at the top left here, and you just want to go to the spam option. Now, to be speaking, some emails, specifically from Shein, may be accidentally redirected in here. So in this case, I would highly suggest you to check your spam folder first and see if they are there. Now, sometimes they may get lost in here, so checking your spam folder is going to be the first thing that you need to do. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a stable interconnection. Now, if your interconnection is quite slow, the delay of syncing your emails here may affect you actually receiving your verification code. So I would highly suggest you to maybe switch over to a different network, like a different Wi-Fi, or try using your mobile data, or vice versa. Try using your Wi-Fi if you're already using your mobile data and see if that actually works. Now, if none of this actually works, then it means that there might be some congestion happening right now on Shein's server. So, meaning we can't do much for this one because, again, this is server side. So, we won't be able to change much on our side. So, just checking a few things here. But if you don't receive your verification code, you may need to wait for a few hours. Again, this might be caused because of some congestion in the servers. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.